Hey, what's up, investors? Figo here. Welcome to Let's Go Rich. Okay, first thing first, today's topic, cryptocurrencies. Well, if you're a cryptocurrency investor, then good for you, because for the past week, all cryptocurrency prices have been surging. Let's look at how much then. If you look at Bitcoin, for the past week, Bitcoin price surged 12%. And if you look at the year-to-date number, then the number is 111%. Say if you invest $100 in this Bitcoin at the beginning of the year, then by now you will be having more than $200. And just to serve as a comparison, the stock market's year-to-date number is around 20%. So you can see a huge gap there. Also, a big cryptocurrency category, Ethereum. For the past week, the number was like 10%, but the year-to-date number for Ethereum is really crazy. More than 400% increase from the beginning of the year. Wow. Well, congrats to the investors who have a lot of money in cryptocurrencies. Personally, I'm not, or I should say I wasn't a big fan of cryptocurrencies, because I thought it's gonna take a very long time before cryptocurrencies can become a robust asset to invest in. But obviously I was wrong. So with that said, let's take a look at why are the prices surging for cryptocurrencies. Well, after some investigation, I think there are two main reasons pushing up the price. The first one is investor sentiment. I think more and more investors are starting to treat cryptocurrencies as a real investment option. That means the sentiment is very good, and the investors will keep dumping money into cryptocurrencies, which will eventually push the price up. Also, if you look at the report from Market Insiders and Bloomberg, you can find tons of articles expressing positive attitude towards cryptocurrencies. For example, here's one report I found from Market Insider. Obviously, a Fidelity's director believes the Bitcoin price will go all the way up to $100,000 by the end of 2023. Those are very good news for cryptocurrencies, because if more investors are starting to believe in the price will eventually go up, they will be investing more money into the market, which will eventually push up the Bitcoin price. It's kind of self-fulfilling prophecy, but good for the market. That concludes our first reason for the price surge. So what's the second one? It's obvious, the Bitcoin ETF. I believe most of you have already learned the news, but here's a recap. Last Friday, the US Securities and Exchange Commission approved the very first Bitcoin ETF, and it will start trading next Monday. So that's very good news. As you can see here, the approved Bitcoin ETF is the first one, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, and according to Bloomberg, there are 3 more Bitcoin ETFs pending approval. You can find their names down here. So, as a summary, there will probably be 4 Bitcoin ETFs trading in the market by the end of October. So this is very good news for cryptocurrency investors, because more ETFs means more demand. More demand means higher price. In summary, the past week has seen both very good investor sentiment towards cryptocurrencies, as well as the approval of the first Bitcoin ETF. Those 2 reasons drove the cryptocurrency price sky high, and I believe this trend will continue. So why not start investing now and make your own fortune? But before that, remember to subscribe and leave a like here. I really appreciate it. So let's go rich together and see you in the future. Bye, investors!